Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, got the Cummins hooked up to the trailer again. We're gonna go pick up another toy, so let's go get it. Well, what we got here is an old project off-road vehicle. Started its life out as a Bronco. Now it's just Monster. So we're gonna get this thing pulled out right now. James. Got the winch. Let's see if she'll do it. There we go, got it all loaded up. It's a beast. So on the Monster Bronco, we got these two flat tires. I did get a couple rollers, but we need to mount them up, and as you can see, this one still has the bead. So we are gonna redneck engineer the hell out of this and get that bead broken. So we got the Cummins there. Got a pry bar in there. It's gonna just miss the rim. We're gonna pull up on that a little bit. There she goes. So now the bead's broke. So the day that tire machines didn't exist, we do all this stuff by hand. So a couple pry bars, crowbars, whatever. Once the bead's broken, all you gotta simply do is get in here and get a bite on here and start breaking this over. This tire is shredded. Alright, so we did spray the dirt out of the lip. Got a little dish soap on there. So hopefully this one should just slide in a little easier. Come on, lighter. I lost it. All right, so here we have the Monster Bronco. We threw the fenders on it, got a couple rollers on the back. Now this is a back burner project, but here's just kind of a little rundown. You can see the front end is narrowed with the roll cage that's around the engine. That engine's got to come out. That goes back to my buddy. Him and his dad built that, so he's going to keep that. We've got the complete roll cage around the cabin area. The inside is diamond plated with some switches. We do have a standard in here, but no clutch pedal as it was not completed. It was a running automatic. We'll probably go back to that. If not, get the clutch and put in. So in the back here, we have a spare tire mount. And the interesting thing about this is an actual hub. So if out on the trail and you run into needing an extra hub, you have spares. Got lights out the back. And in the back, we've got an air tank. You can charge that up so you have air on demand. We do have a battery set up so we can have a spare battery or dual batteries back here. We have a toolbox. These here are for a high lift jack, so we can mount a jack for being out on the trail. It does have a hitch. But that is the Monster Bronco. So there you have it, another new toy in the yard. As I said before, this one's probably a little further back on the burner than the other projects. We still got the big block there we got to mess with, and just a lot of different stuff. So as always, guys, if you like this video, definitely give it that thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. And thank you for watching as always. We'll see you in the next one.